Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Pearson at Excel International Maths by Mr. Kamoto. And in this video, I want us to understand something to do with advanced calculator problems. And this is IGCSE. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that subscription button so that we can work together. And advanced calculator problems, we are told on page 105 down there that the efficient use of a calculator is key to obtaining accurate solutions to more complex calculations. Scientific calculators automatically apply the operations in the correct order. However, if they don't, the use of extra brackets may be needed in some calculations. And the calculator's memory may also be a help with more complicated numbers and calculations. And one thing I would want to advise here is that please understand your calculator very well. Know what function a specific button does. And to help you this, make sure you maintain or you keep your instruction manual very close to you so that you may be referring to it every time you need to operate something using your calculator. And I want us to go directly to example 5 on page 106, and you're told that calculate the following giving answers to three significant figures. And you can already see that we have a problem here. 1.76 times 10 raised to the power 3 all over the root of 5.3 times 10 raised to the power minus 2 and everything raised to power 4. How do we go about this? I want to give my personal advice as far as this question is concerned. Please make sure that you solve it step by step or systematically. For example, you may acquire the solutions of the numerator, after which you will divide by the solution of the denominator, after which now you will raise everything to power 4. And this is what I mean. We have 1.76, so let's start. We have 1.76 times 10 raised to power. This is the button of 10 raised to power 3. I may use it the way I want. This is equals to. You press equals to, so you have 1760. Divide by, because we are going to divide by the denominator, divide by. But the moment you reach at the denominator, you find that it is under root, so you press the root. The root of 5.3 times 10 raised to power what? Raised to power minus 2. And the moment you are through with it, then you can now at this particular point press equals to. And once you press equals to, you have a number that is a quotient of both the numerator and the denominator. Now you may want to raise this one to power 4. That means you press this button to certain power, raised to power, answer raised to power 4, then you press equals to, and there you are with your answer 3.42 times 10 raised to power 15, 3.42 times 10 raised to power 15, and that is just the solution that you have had. This is 3.42 times 10 raised to power 15 to three significant figures. The moment you're through with that, you now go to probably part B. You'll start all over again, part B. And you look at part B is the fifth root of the entire arrangement. Fifth root of 5.4 times 10 raised to power 5 over pi root 3, pi raised to power 3, and this is what you're supposed to have. So to start with, let's have the fifth root. If you press 5 here and then shift and then this x squared down there, there is a button that there is the second function of the button that is supposed to talk about the nth root. So you press it, and the moment you have now, you're going to work out the fifth root of whatever number you're going to acquire. And this is going to be 5.4 times 10 raised to power 5 divided by shift. Now because you're looking for pi, shift pi. For pi it's the second operation of the button, so you have to use the shift and then raise it to power 3. And once you're through, you can easily bring you equals to. And the moment you bring your equals to, so your answer is 7.05 to 3 significant figures. 7, so you have 7.05 to 3 significant figures, and that is just like it. Please know there is no specific approach to how you can use your calculators. It's the best method of using your calculator is the way you understand it. And operations, you should learn in the system how to operate using calculators. Otherwise, they make work easier. But one thing I would let you know is that work systematically, step by step. That is it. And we have been able to use our calculator in the best way possible. So this is the very last example of numbers 7. So please do as solve as many questions as possible in practice or for practice, so that in future you will not face any challenge. Again, I keep saying that subscribe to my YouTube channel, Pearson and Excel International Maths, and share widely, and let us work together. All right.